life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely.
Holy shit. You might want to get in the car. Look at the motion above us. Oh my gosh. You might want to get in the car. We're about to get rocked. Yeah, I do. Whoa! Woo! Damn! Whoa, there's some good gusts in here. There's something low on the GoPro here. I can see it. Oh, here it comes. Look at the wind changing direction. Yeah. Oh shit, whoa. Oh, there's debris flying. Oh shit. Damn, that rain hurts.
Wind shifting this way now.
Listen to it. Whoa, look at this in front of us. Holy shit, look at this in front of us. It's right here. It's right here. Holy shit. Get that on video. This is rolling the whole time. What the fuck was that? Was that just a tornado?
That was just, yeah.
Look at it. It's gone.
It's gone.
Oh yeah, slow damage.
Right here.
Yep.
Are we back in it again?
Oh, yeah, we are.
Camera.
There. Okay, cool. Sorry, it's automatic. Big branch down there.
Yeah.